What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? That's right, and you are watching Ryan Rae make ice cream, and today we are at the Sacramento Zoo. Ray, why are we at the Sacramento Zoo?
We are eating ice cream.
We are eating ice cream. Apparently they're having an ice cream safari, so you know we had to come check it out. Ray, are we just gonna go inside and eat some ice cream? Well, I wish we could make some ice cream, but I don't think they're gonna let us make any ice cream. We can eat a lot. How's that sound? Cool, so we're just gonna go inside and we're just gonna eat a ton of ice cream. What kind of ice cream are you looking forward to?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Me too. Any specific flavor? Yeah, okay, me too. Anyway, we're gonna go inside. Ray, you wanna say let's go?
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright. Oh, should we fix that hair?
Yeah.
No? Alright, cool. We'll keep it like that. You're about to watch this ice cream safari video, and we had so much fun with it, but the audio in it wasn't the greatest, and really it's just us kind of going around eating ice cream and looking at animals. So we're actually going to dub the audio for this entire video. So we're going to watch it right now and just fill in the audio. How's that sound?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's see what happens. All right, so here we are walking into the Sacramento Zoo, and there was a lot of cool music that was playing. You remember that? Yep. I swear Reagan's right here. Anyway, this was, what was that, salted caramel? Do you remember eating the salted caramel? What do you think about this part?
Good. But I got a cone.
Yeah, you did get a cone, but she's making a cup right there. All right, there's a cone. Is that one for you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ray. Oh, there you are. Oh, what do you say? Oh, wow. That was really nice. Thank you so much. And I think it's from Twin Scoops. Anyway, it was pretty good. There you are. What do you think? 1 to 5, how good was it?
Good.
That was good? Would you give it a 1 or a 5? Okay, 5. For our friends at home. All right, this one, I think Mama was getting some ice cream here. We're scooping it out. You like ice cream sundaes?
Yeah. I tried Mommy's.
What's that?
I tried Mommy's.
You were trying Mommy's? What's Mommy's favorite kind of ice cream?
Coffee.
Coffee. She does like coffee ice cream. Whoa, what about when they put chocolate syrup on the ice cream?
I like chocolate syrup.
You want chocolate syrup? Well, we don't have ice cream right now. But look, they put some whipped cream and some sprinkles. You know what they call sprinkles on the East Coast?
Yeah.
Jimmy's.
Jimmy's?
Yeah. That's cool, huh? All right. Oh, there's Mama's favorite, Mocha Difference. Cool name. All right. And then we're going to scoop it out. You like scooping ice cream? Yeah. It's not a video, so our friends can't see you when you nod your head. Whoa, what's that?
What?
What is that?
What?
I think it's an orangutan. Oh, what's that?
What?
I'm not sure what that is. It's a cool video. Oh, there's the orangutans again. You like orangutans?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But afterwards, and Mommy, but they were sleeping.
Yeah, they were sleeping a little bit. There you go. You were just looking at them right there. Wow. And they were just jumping around, having a good time. Oh, there's Nana. Oh, there you were. I think you're about to lose your shoe. Oh, no!
It's nice.
Wow. And then you were just running up and down so fast. Are you a good runner? How fast are you?
Real fast.
Yeah, I think you're real fast. Look how fast you are. Well, did you lose your shoe again?
Yeah.
Oh, strawberry and Sierra Mist floats. I love a good soda float. What about you?
I do too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, what's that?
What?
What is that?
Giraffe.
Yeah! How cool is that?
Yeah.
I love giraffes.
I do too.
Yeah. What's your favorite animal? Oh, that one? Okay. All right, here's some dairy-free ice cream. And it was strawberry. It was really good. Back to animals. I think those are called emus?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like emus? Where are they from?
From Chicago.
Chicago?
Yeah.
Interesting. What about these? What are those called?
What?
Those are kangaroos.
Yeah, yeah.
was a huge jump.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, and now, this is us. We're looking at the flamingos. But what color are the flamingos?
Gray.
Gray?
Yeah.
What? Flamingos aren't gray.
Yeah.
They're pink.
Ow.
Yeah.
They're really fast.
Real fast. Anyway, here was a rock climbing wall. You remember that kid?
Why?
He was kind of stuck up there.
These jump really see you.
Well, that was a good jump, but this is audio right now, so I can't really see you jumping, although that was really impressive. All right, here we are. Wow. I like this part of the zoo.
What is it?
Well, these are,
Monkey.
yeah, those are really cool. I think they might be called chimpanzees. I'm not entirely sure the difference.
Hi, baby Sienna.
Yeah, there's Sienna. Look at her. Aww.
Hey.
That's a beautiful
She
smile.
was smiling at me.
Yeah? She always smiles at you.
Sienna jumps where we. Oh, yes. She jumps around we. Down.
Man, I wish you guys could see what's happening right now. These are zebras. Yep. Oh, and what's that? Yeah, I'm really glad we're recording this audio. Hey, Ray, you want to wave at the giraffe?
I want to go see the jaguars.
Okay.
Come on. Hold on.
All right, and here you are, the jaguars. Look, you were looking for the jaguar. Here it is.
I didn't see it.
That's right there.
Ooh, they're open doors. But we need to wait for Mommy and Daddy for
All
me.
right. Okay, I think the video's over. What was your favorite kind of ice cream? What kind? I don't know what kind that was. I really like the chocolate peanut butter. What about you?
I like the chocolate peanut butter.
Yeah, that was pretty good. So anyway, thank you so much to the Sac Zoo. We had such a good time at this ice cream, what's it called? Ice cream safari, that's right. So anyway, if you like what you see, definitely subscribe to the channel. We truly appreciate it. Anyway, Ray, I think we should probably go home for now, huh? Yeah, you ready to rock and roll? All right, cool. What do we say to our friends?
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good night, guys.